Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a payment extension with Verizon, but please note that any late payment charges will still be applied, but you can go ahead and change that due date so that you get uninterrupted services. So there's two options. So you can schedule a different date to pay your balance or past due amount, or you can split the balance or past due amount into two payments on two different dates. Okay, and you have to apply for this, and usually they will go ahead and approve it for you, and then you'll get a confirmation message. So there's two ways to do this. You can either use the website or the app. Okay, so all you need to do is download the app, the My Verizon app, from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, right? And then just sign into your My Verizon, select account, and go ahead and choose Home tab. Go ahead and click on Bills and scroll down to Payment Arrangements, and go ahead and click on Modify Now and change your due date. And if you're doing it from the My Verizon website, sign in to My Verizon, select Home, then click on Bill, then go ahead and select the payment arrangement options, and then go ahead and modify your date. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.